Welcome back to our front porch rebuild project. Today we'll be stoning the entirety of this porch all the way around. And as always, we're going to be continue tagging all the products and tools that we use so you can buy them because I get a lot of questions about them. Anyway, we're mixing Type M masonry mortar. We're pouring Acryl 60 in the water and we're using that water in the mix. So we have Type M masonry mortar, sand water, and acrylic fortifier. We mix it until it's tacky. We wet the stone, we bond and clean with that same acrylic fortifier water, and then we bond the block as well. Then we set the stone to it, and then we clean off the remnants. We start with the corners. We always do the corners first, and we're going to wrap our entire stone around based on the corners so that they are completely level going all the way around. We're going to be running this on about half bond like it is a brick. For this particular style stone, this is how we like to do it. This is Kentucky blend limestone made by Dutch Quality. Stagger your looks, stagger your colors, and make everything completely flow from one side to the next. As soon as you lay them, you let them stick, and then you scrape off all the excess cement, and then once it's entirely done, we get our grout bag, we run it through our Acryl 60 water, and then we get our Type M masonry mortar, we fill up the bag, and we squeeze it in the joints absolutely everywhere. We let them sit for about an hour so they get tacky, so then we can shape them. Once we get them all squeezed in, we let it sit for, like I said, an hour. We come back and we shape them. In order to shape them, we use the back of a paintbrush, our finger, and then we break them out as such, and then we flip that paintbrush around. We brush out the joints just to get them to flow entirely. Then we go back with a whitewash brush, knock off any snots, bumps, humps, or lumps, and we continue so they flow all the way around. The shaping process is crucial. The joints are what make the stone have the look you want them to look. You take your time, make them look perfect. Back for limestone, next.